Installation and usage methods of M300. Product is noted to be applicable for the maintenance of the valve cores and valve seats of gate valves and flat globe valve. Installation and usage for the maintenance of valve cores. First, assemble the sectional valve core grinding base. Install the adjustable bracket. For the main drive assembly, the swing angle slider on the main drive assembly should be connected to the adjustable bracket. The gate valve flange assembly, planetary gear, grinding disc assembly, and motor are all fastened with screws. Fix the valve core to the valve core grinding base. Measure the diameter of the valve core. Adjust the planetary gear grinding disc assembly to ensure that the planetary gear fully covers the sealing surface of the valve core. Paste the sandpaper onto the planetary gear and fasten the grinding assembly. Adjust the planetary gear grinding disc assembly to ensure that the planetary gear fully covers the sealing surface of the valve core. Turn on the power supply to start grinding and maintenance. Installation and usage for the maintenance of valve seats. Install the valve port clamping base onto the upper flange port of the valve to make the end face of the base nearly parallel to the valve sealing surface, and fasten the base. Install the adjustable bracket to make the working surface of the adjustable bracket at the center of the two valve seat sealing surfaces and parallel, and fasten the screws. Install the main drive assembly onto the adjustable bracket, and the swing angle slider should be connected to the adjustable bracket. Install the motor, adjust the adjustable bracket and the main drive assembly to make the planetary gear grinding disc concentric with the valve sealing surface. Turn on the power supply to start grinding and maintenance. After grinding is completed, first turn off the power supply, dismantle the motor, and then remove other components.